Okay, friends in the 928 owners page on Facebook, you're looking at a fully completed 928 chassis dolly. This is the second one I've built. This one is going to go to Atlanta, Georgia, to Richard for his shop and purposes there. I have validated all of the mounting points, and they do fit on the original body, and that right there is the adjustable end for the newer S4 bodies. Gives you a little bit more length. Done a lot of modifications to this, a couple alterations, a couple of improvements on this one versus this one. That was the first one I built, and that one's mine. This one here is a better rendition, and it does fit, and it does mount hard to this car. It's close, sort of, to what Porsche used, and these rear mounts are adjustable up and down. That one, as I said, back and forth or forward and aft, and the middle one's torque tube up and down, which probably won't need much adjusting at all, but they are adjustable if needed. The front ones where the engine sits are not. I'm not sure if I'm going to build some for lack of better words, some wings, some bars that come out to hold the suspension components as one. I'm probably going to do that because I want to make this as easy as possible. I want to keep the wheels on it, pull this thing off. I don't think I'm going to make it to Third Coast to show this off. I'd like to, but I don't think it's going to happen because here it is Thursday and it starts tomorrow, so I don't know. We will see. If I do, it'll be on Sunday. Drive up, show it at that little, the park, and then scoot. That's probably what's going to happen. Anyways, so that's it. 1 November, and this is a done deal. Okay? Tschüss.